Hello friends, welcome to the Lazy Diaries. After so long, we have some new lipstick launches by Nykaa. I think Nykaa was prepared to launch these lipsticks earlier, but due to this lockdown, they have launched it now. So if you want to know more about these lipsticks, then stay tuned. So these lipsticks are called Nykaa Matte Luxe Lipsticks, and these are available in 12 different shades. They have 6 nude shade, 2 pink, 2 red, 1 berry and 1 plum shade. So the shade range is quite good, and all the shades in this range are very suitable for our Indian skin tone. I have got the plum shade and the shade name is Retail Therapy. So you can see that some shopping bags are printed over here, and on the packaging this is a matte cardboard packaging. You can feel that all these writings are embedded over here, and on the back side of the packaging all the details regarding the lipstick is given. So the net weight of these lipsticks is 4.8 gram and the shelf life is for 3 years. And these lipsticks are vegetarian. These are 100% vegetarian, vegan, cruelty free, dermatologically tested and also paraben free. And so this is the outer packaging. The outer packaging is also quite luxe. These lipsticks, they retail for rupees 799, but right now they are giving it on a 10% discount, so you will have to pay just rupees 719 if you buy it now. So now let's talk about the lipstick. So this is a plastic packaging with golden touch, and this packaging is quite luxe. This is a magnetic closure, and here you can see Nykaa written over here, and here the manufacturing and the expiry date is given, and here the shade name and the product quantity is printed. This is quite a luxury packaging. This is a color coded packaging, so this is the exact color of the bullet, and this is the bullet. The bullet looks quite beautiful in this golden touch. So this is the bullet, and the bullet is of regular size of a lipstick, regular shape actually of a lipstick. There is nothing new to it. So this is the whole lipstick, and on a whole it looks quite luxury. Now let's see what Nykaa has to say about these lipsticks. So Nykaa says that these are luxury comfort matte formula, smudge proof, high pigment color, one stroke application. So these lipsticks, yes, they have a comfort matte formula, but they are not smudge proof. It transfers a lot. The staying power is not more than 3 to 4 hours, and if you eat something in between, then you will have to definitely reapply it. High pigment color, yes, the color pigmentation is quite good. You get a fully opaque color in just one swipe. But the formula is not completely matte formula. It is like a creamy matte type of texture. It has a sheen to it. Now let me show you the shade. So this is the bullet, and as I said, the shade name is Retail Therapy, and this is a plum shade. So this is the shade. This is not a very deep type of plum shade. You can wear this every day if you like to. And these lipsticks, they glide on very easily on your lips. They just glide like butter. These are very comfortable formula. People who don't like a truly matte lipstick can definitely try out these lipsticks. And this shade, it will complement a lot of skin tones, like from the medium to deeper skin tones. I think my camera is catching it as a deep plum shade. Actually on the website also the shade was quite deep, but when I bought it and I applied, the shade is not that deep. This is a very pretty lovely shade, and I am definitely wear this shade on a everyday basis. This is a very good, beautiful shade. So if you are thinking to buy these lipsticks from Nykaa, so you can definitely get 1 or 2 shades from this range. You won't regret buying these lipsticks. The formula is quite different from their earlier matte collection. And if I particularly talk about this shade, so this is a very pretty classy shade and you can wear this on an everyday basis, and even if you don't wear any makeup, just this lipstick, it will instantly brighten up your face. This is a very pretty shade. So if you don't want to buy any nudes or red, then you can definitely go for this shade. So now the most important point, do we need these lipsticks right now? No, I don't think that we need these lipsticks right now. So if you can't buy these lipsticks now, don't be disheartened. Just buy it sometime other than this time. I don't think these are not transfer proof, they transfer a lot. These are not matte lipsticks, and moreover we are not going out even. So you don't need these lipsticks right now. So now I think that I am done with my review part. So these was my reviews, my thoughts for this Nykaa Luxe lipstick. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.